Question number 21. A small business owner budgets $2,200 to purchase candles. The owner must purchase a minimum of 200 candles to maintain the discounted pricing. If the owner pays $4.9 per candle to purchase small candles and $11.6 per candle to purchase large candles, what is the maximum number of large candles the owner can purchase to stay within the budget and maintain the discounted pricing? So let S represent the number of small candles the owner can purchase and L represent the number of large candles the owner can purchase. And it's given that the owner pays $4.9 per candle to purchase small candles and $11.6 per candle to purchase large candles. That means if I multiply 4.9 with S, that is the number of small candles, that will give the amount or how much the owner pays for S small candles. 11.6 with L, I will get how much the owner pays for L large candles. So what is the total he is paying? So we have to add both of these. So we will get 4.9S plus 11.60L, and the total he wants to keep within 2200. So this should be less than or equal to 2200. This is one inequality. He wants to maintain his budget $2,200. He cannot exceed that. So less than or equal to inequality, we have set it up. And one more thing is given, that the owner must purchase a minimum of 200 candles. That is the total S plus L. It doesn't matter how many S and how many L, but definitely minimum is 200. It can be more than that. So S plus L is greater than or equal to 200. So these two inequalities, 4.9S plus 11.6L less than or equal to 2200 and S plus L greater than or equal to 200, can be combined into one compound inequality by rewriting the second inequality so that its left hand side is equivalent to the left hand side of the first inequality. So we need to combine both of these inequalities. So to do that, first we will subtract L from both sides of this inequality. So we will get S is greater than or equal to 200 minus L. Now we will multiply both sides of this inequality by 4.9. So we will have 4.90S greater than or equal to 980 minus 4.9L. Now we will add 11.6L to both sides. So adding 11.6L to both sides of this inequality will give 4.9S plus 11.6L is greater than or equal to 980, and this minus 4.9 plus 11.6 will simplify to be 6.70L. Now we already had the other inequality, 4.9S plus 11.6L, which was less than or equal to 2200. So we have to combine both of these inequalities. So let us observe both the inequalities which we have to combine. So the left hand side, we have made it both same. So 4.90S plus 11.60L greater than or equal to 980 plus 6.70L, and the other inequality 4.90S plus 11.60L less than or equal to 2200. We have to combine them. So this will yield the compound inequality 980 plus 6.70L less than or equal to 4.90S plus 11.60L less than or equal to 2200. Now which means that these two we will simplify. So this 980 plus 6.70L less than or equal to 2200. So we have to subtract 980 on both sides. So we will have 6.70L less than or equal to 1220. Now we have to just divide both sides of this inequality by 6.7. So this will yield L is less than or equal to 182.09. Since the number of large candles the owner purchases must be a whole number, the maximum number of large candles the owner can purchase is the largest whole number, which is less than this 182.09. So the largest number will be 182 whole number. So that means the largest whole number of large candles he can buy is 182 with the amount which he has. That is $2,200. That is his budget. With this he can buy 182 large candles. So if we put both of these inequalities in the graphing calculator, also we can observe that the point at which these two inequalities are intersecting, that point is 17.91, 182.08, similar to what we got. And in this we have to analyze that we need a whole number, largest whole number. Instead of 182.09, the largest whole number for the L, and here I have used X and Y because this is a Desmos calculator. So the Y is nothing but the number of large candles he can buy, maximum. So from the graph, if we take 18 to be the number of small candles and 182 to be the number of large candles, the amount which we get, 4.9 times 18 is $88.2, and the amount which we get for the 182 large candles is 2,111.2. That totals 2,199.4, very close to 2,200. So there's no more amount left to buy any small or large candle anymore. So I hope that's clear.